Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn Fast, Speak Confidently, your favorite place to learn real, simple, natural English.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here with us today. If you're new, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share this podcast. It really helps us grow.
Today, we're talking about a very fun and happy topic birthdays.
Yes, birthday vocabulary, conversations, party expressions, everything you need to talk about birthdays confidently in English. So, how are you today?
I'm great. And you?
I'm doing well. My weekend was fun. I played football with my cousins. I'm a little tired, but excited for today's topic.
Sounds fun. I stayed home and relaxed. I baked cookies and burned half of them.
A classic birthday party training moment.
So, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on February 18th. It's always cold, but I like winter birthdays. What about yours?
Mine is on June 12th, a summer birthday. Warm weather, outdoor parties, ice cream, perfect.
Nice. Listeners, remember these structures. My birthday is on month plus date. It's on the 12th of June. Practice saying your birthday aloud.
How do you usually celebrate?
I prefer small parties. Family, close friends, good food. Sometimes we play games like Uno or charades.
Same. Last year I had a picnic. Sandwiches, fruit, music, and a beautiful chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is the king of all cakes.
Absolutely. What about you? Do you bake your own cake?
Never. If I bake a cake, it becomes flat like a biscuit. My sister always saves me by baking one.
Relatable. A lot of our listeners probably feel the same way.
Let's talk about decorations. Do you decorate your house?
Always. Balloons, lights, a happy birthday banner, flowers. It makes everything festive.
Nice. I keep it simple. Just a few lights and a good table setup.
What about gifts? What's the best birthday gift you ever received?
When I was 12, I got a puppy. His name was Milo. Best friend ever.
Aw, that's amazing. My favorite gift was a bicycle when I was 10. It was blue and shiny.
Okay, now what about the worst gift?
My aunt gave me huge sweaters in crazy colors, neon orange, purple. I wore them only when she visited.
I once received a book about the history of forks. Yes, forks. Different types of forks from different countries.
What? That's hilarious.
I know. I didn't read it. I just looked at the pictures.
Let's teach our listeners some important birthday words.
Here we go. Birthday, the day you were born. Celebrate, do something special. Celebration, the party. Invite, ask someone to come. Guest, the people you invite. Decorations, balloons, lights, banners. Gift or present, things you give. Cake, special sweet food. Candles, lights on the cake. Blow out, blow the candles. Wish, what you hope for. Tradition, things you do every year. Surprise, unexpected event. Age, how old you are. Memory, something you remember.
Try using one of these words in a sentence today.
Remember, in English, it is not polite to ask, don't say, how old are you? For adults.
You can ask instead, Did you have a good birthday? How did you celebrate? Did you do anything special?
Useful phrases for inviting friends. Formal. I'm having a birthday party on Saturday. Would you like to come? Informal. Hey, it's my birthday Friday. We're going out. Join us if you can.
Accepting. I'd love to come, or that sounds great. Politely saying no. Thank you for the invitation, but I can't make it.
In some countries, you lift the birthday person on a chair.
In others, friends push your face into the cake.
Wild and messy. Happy birthday, Speaker One.
Thank you so much. I'm going out with my family tonight.
That sounds wonderful. I wish you an amazing year.
Thank you. You're very kind. And that's it for today's episode of Learn Fast, Speak Confidently. We hope you learned a lot about birthdays in English.
Your homework. Use one new vocabulary word today. Tell a friend how you celebrate your birthday.
Also, answer today's question. What is your favorite birthday memory or your perfect birthday party? Send us your answers.
Thank you for listening. Stay confident, keep practicing, and
See you in the next episode.